This week we will learn about line plots with fractions. What do we need to make a line plot? Let's have a look. We need a number line with fractions on, and we need data that we have recorded. This is the data we will use. Data. How much pizza did you eat? Magra ate 1/4 pizza. Sarah ate 3/4. Fatima ate 1/4. Dana ate 2/4. Clatham ate 3/4. Miriam ate 3/4. And Heba ate 4/4. Who can tell me 4/4 is equal to? Yes, correct. 4/4 is equal to 1 whole. How do we make a line plot? It's actually very, very easy. We can use any object to represent the data on a line plot. We can use dots. Or we can use an X. Or we can use pictures. For this line plot, we will use pizza slices. What do we need? We need the data, we need the line plot, and we need pizza slices. Let's start. Magra ate 1/4 of the pizza. We look at our line plot, we find 1/4. There it is. Then we put one pizza slice above the 1/4, like that. Excellent. Let's see who is next. Sarah ate 3/4 of the pizza. What do we do next again? Yes, we find 3/4 on the number line. There it is. Then we put a pizza slice above 3/4. Just like that. Let's have a look at the next girl. Fatima. She ate how much? 1/4. What do we do? Yes, we find 1/4 on the number line and we put a pizza slice above the 1/4. Excellent. Who is next? Dana. Dana ate 2/4. Can you find 2/4 on the number line? There you go. Put the pizza slice above the 2/4. Clatham ate 3/4 of the pizza slice. You know where 3/4 is because Sarah also ate 3/4 and you've already put a pizza slice above the 3/4. Let's put another one above the pizza slice that is already there. Just like that. Excellent. Next one. Miriam also ate 3/4, so easy. We just put another pizza slice above the other two. The last one is Heba. Heba ate 4/4 of the pizza slice. Fine, let's see. 4/4. It's right at the end of the number line. And we put the pizza slice down. Wow, that is as easy as that. Now we have a number line. Look at your line plot. Answer the following questions. How many girls ate 1/4 of a pizza? Look at 1/4. Can you see how many? Correct. 2 girls ate 1/4 of the pizza. How many girls ate 3/4 of the pizza? Look at 3/4. Yes, 3 girls ate 3/4 of a pizza. But how do you know that? You just count the pizza slices because 1 pizza slice is equal to 1 girl. So there's 3 pizza slices above 3/4. 3 girls ate 3/4 of the pizza. How many girls ate 4/4 of the pizza? Correct. Only 1 girl ate 4/4 of the pizza. How many girls ate 2/4 of a pizza? You are getting very clever. Yes, 2/4 of a pizza, only 1 girl ate 2/4 of a pizza. How many girls ate the most pizza? Only 1 girl, 4/4 of a pizza. Fantastic. Now you try on a piece of paper. Can you see on the left of your screen you have all your data? 5 girls shared their pop quiz result with each other. This is what they got. Alia got 1 out of 5, 1/5. Farah got 3 out of 5, 3/5. Layla got 3/5. Nawal got 2/5. And Salma got 3/5. Now it's your turn. Draw the number line on a piece of paper, and we are going to use dots. You have to add all your information on your number line. Are you ready? Stop the video. Draw your line plot with all the dots, with all the information on there. When you are finished, start the video again. Look at your line plot. Answer the following questions. How many girls got 1/5 for the pop quiz? Correct. Only 1 girl got 1/5 for the pop quiz. How many girls got 3/5 for the pop quiz? Correct. 3 girls got 3/5 for the pop quiz. How many girls got 2/5 for the pop quiz? Excellent. Only 1 girl got 2/5 for the pop quiz. How many girls got 4/5 for the pop quiz? You are too clever. No girls got 4/5 for the pop quiz. How much was the least marks in the pop quiz? Excellent. 1/5 was the least mark in the pop quiz. Now you can make your own. Make your own data with fractions. Make sure the denominator is the same. Draw a line, number line, and put all your data on there. Have fun making your own.